Hello, this hello. This is a question related to signals and system useful for gate examination. The question is in the circuit shown in the given figure, the response current IT we have to calculate. So from Kirchhoff law, we have applied the signal. Suppose we have applied the signal BST. From Kirchhoff law, BST voltage BS is equal to voltage in S domain will be clearly it will be resistance voltage, total voltage will be voltage drop across resistance plus voltage drop across capacitance. So it will be resistance, current through resistance in S domain is, plus we know resistance or impedance of capacitance in S domain is 1 upon Cs multiplied by is. This is resistance. Voltage drop across resistance is R. Voltage drop across resistance is resistance into current through resistance. So R into Is plus voltage drop in across capacitance in S domain 1 upon Cs multiplied by Is. This is simply Ohm's law. Now we will take Is common, so it will be Bs will be Is multiplied by R plus 1 upon Cs. So Is can be written as Bs divided by R plus 1 upon Cs. So Is can be written as B. In numerator we can take common, so it will be in numerator B can take common, so it will be Is is equal to Bs into 1 plus RCS divided by Cs. So here we have taken, so it will be Bs multiplied by Cs divided by 1 plus RCS. So it can be written as V divided by R. We have taken common in numerator Cs divided by Cs plus 1 upon R. So it can be written as Is can be written as V divided by RC. C we have taken common in denominator. In numerator it will be Cs. In denominator C we have taken outside. So it will be S plus 1 upon RC. So it can be written as, now C from numerator and denominator will cancel. So it will be B upon R into numerator S divided by S plus 1 upon RC. Now in expression S divided by S plus 1 upon RC, because power of numerator and denominator are same, so we will divide numerator by denominator. So it will be S numerator, denominator is S plus 1 upon RC, 1 times this will be S plus 1 upon RC. Here remainder will be minus 1 upon RC. So S divided by S plus 1 upon RC, we can write it as 1 minus 1 upon RC divided by S plus 1 upon RC. So this can be written as so Is can be written as Is is equal to B over R into Cs divided by Cs plus 1 upon R. So it can be written as B divided by R, Cs divided by B divided by this can be written as B divided by R, S divided by S plus 1 upon RC. Now S plus 1 upon RC we have written in place of S divided by S plus 1 upon RC, we will write this expression from equation 1. So this can be written as Is can be written as V divided by R, here 1 minus 1 upon RC in bracket 1 upon S plus 1 upon RC. Now taking inverse Laplace transform, current IT will be IT B divided by R. We know that inverse Laplace transform of 1 is delta t. So it will be inverse Laplace transform of 1 is delta t. So it will be delta t minus 1 upon RC. This is common. And inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon S plus A is e to the power minus at. So it will be exponential e to the power minus at. So it will be minus t divided by RC. So current through circuit is, the response current is IT is equal to B divided by R delta t minus 1 upon RC exponential minus t divided by RC. This is the required answer. Hence answer C is correct. Thank you.